Look at that glow. Look at that glow. Okay, let's go. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Bratterstein. Please ignore the fact that I just spit on myself a little bit, just a little bit came out when I was speaking, so. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, is an exciting one. It is my favorite one, to be quite honest. It is going to be this month's BOXYCHARM unboxing, yay! I am so happy that this came in the mail today, because let me tell you what. I had the shittiest day. The anthem in my head was quit your job, quit your job, quit your job, quit your job. So to come home and have this put me in a lot better of a mood, because this is my favorite subscription service and I love filming videos, I love editing videos, so this came at the perfect time because my spirits are lifted. It could be this, could also be that wine right there. Who's to say? But I know this definitely has something to do with it. I just don't know if it has everything to do with it. You feel me? Where'd it go? There it is. Wine, makeup, life is worth living. For those of you who do not know, BOXYCHARM is a 21, how's it gonna look to you? Let's try, I'll do it twice so that I can insert whichever one's gonna be right. $21 a month beauty subscription service, where each month they take $21 from your account and then you get one of these beautiful boxes shipped to your house with 4 to 5 full-size products, usually, to try and test and love. Ignore my pink fingers, you know, lipstick. I was smearing it so it looked real smooth, real pretty, and it is now stained. This, by the way, if you're curious, is the Luxe lipstick, the blur one from ColourPop. Wow, didn't he? The ColourPop Luxe Blur Velvet Lipstick in the shade Solo. So pretty. So yeah, I will leave everything for BOXYCHARM linked down below in case you don't currently have a subscription, though if you're here, I'm sure you do and you want spoilers, but in case you're curious and you just stumbled upon my video, I will have it all down below, and if you want to use my link, that'd be sweet for me. Just saying. It's not biased or anything because I love this, but it just kind of helps me a bit if you use my link. Just putting it out there in the universe. You ever just feel like you don't have enough glitter? I'm gonna add a little glitter. Put a little bit right there, a little bit right there. Look at that. Yes, queen, yes. Alright, so now that the glitter is on and I've explained what BOXYCHARM is in case you don't know, why don't you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so that, you know, I know you like it and it helps me out a ton. Before I started YouTube, I did not know how much these 3 things helped, but now that I do it, I always encourage everyone to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Give me a comment down below, say hi, let me know what your name is, tell me how you found my page, you know, anything. I would love to hear from you, and of course subscribe to my channel. I have a big giveaway coming up. I hit 1,000 subscribers, and once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I was going to be doing a giveaway. I've already ordered the giveaway items, and there's actually, spoiler alert, going to be 2 winners, so make sure to subscribe because you will have to be subscribed to be entered, and I think we should just go ahead and get into this video. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. If you would like to see what I got in this month's BOXYCHARM, just keep on watching. Alright, let's bust into this bitch right now. We got the card. Alright, so the theme this month is Afterglow. They switched it back to the little card instead of the pamphlet. Okay, switching it up. Is Afterglow the glow you're supposed to have after you bone? I might be wrong, but I think it is. So anyway, it's got all the products that I got here with the prices and stuff, so I can tell you, but I'm not going to look at it yet because I want to be surprised. Because I like to be surprised. Okay, so the first item I see in the box this month is this guy right here. So this here is the No Pore Blum primer from Touch in Sol. It is just supposed to be a hydrating, or no, is it hydrating? Wait a minute. Okay, no, it doesn't say anything about being hydrating. It's supposed to be a blurring and smoothing primer that has a little bit of tackiness so that it holds on well and grips to your foundation. I don't know if Touch in Sol is cruelty-free. All of that information I will put down below because I don't know about you, but I am cruelty-free, so anything that does not work for me, I either do in a giveaway or I give to somebody in my life. So check the description box. Maybe there'll be a giveaway and you don't even know it because I don't know if it's cruelty-free or not, so make sure to check down below. But this retails for $18 and it is a full-size product. Wonder if it smells like anything. Let me just check real quick. It smells like something. I just can't think of what it is, but I haven't used this myself. I haven't used a lot from Touch in Sol, but I've heard nothing but good things about this, so I am excited to give it a shot if it is cruelty-free. It smells nice. I don't use primer every day because I use powder foundation, but, you know, who knows? I'm starting to get some fine lines and some wrinkles that could be some blur in that I wouldn't mind, so I'm excited to try this. Let me know if you've tried it and if you like it, and let me know if you know what that scent is, because I know it. I know it. I cannot with this highlight right now. This is a combination of the ColourPop On the Cusp Super Shock Chic highlighter and the Amrezy highlighter. My God. Guys, the next item in the box, can you even look at the little guy? Okay guys, so this is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream. This is supposed to be really great for dehydrated skin. It's made with fermented sugar and nourishing coconut oil to draw, hold, and hug moisture for 72 hours. And it says that it smells like toasted praline and warm vanilla latte. Oh, frick, man. This smells good. I'm going to put some on my hands right now. I don't know if you saw my latest haul video. If not, I'll link it up here. But I picked up the full size of the original. Oh my God, their products smell. This smells, ooh, I think this smells better than the other one. Wow, dude, this smells like a Bath & Body Works Christmas candle, and I'm fucking, excuse me, I'm freaking here for it. So this product here, I don't think this is full size. It's a new product, so I don't know if they're going to come out with a big size or if this is the size, but this retails for $20. And oh, it's got a little bit of maybe a tackiness. It hasn't dried down all the way yet, but I'm so excited to have this. Their lotion is so good. It's so expensive, but it's so good, and this smells amazing. I wish I had a big one so I could put it on my entire body. Because if I put this on my entire body, I would use it all right now because I got like a big body. You know what I mean? I got a lot of skin. Put the lotion on the skin, or else it gets the hose again. The next item is this right here. Dude. So this item here is from Pretty Vulgar. It's their Bronzed Bee Bronzer. This is full size and it retails for $32. I am very excited about this because I have an eyeshadow palette that we got from them in BOXYCHARM, which I love, and I have their Shimmering Swan highlighter that is stunning, and I haven't gotten to try any more of their face products, so I am so excited, especially because lately I've been very into bronzer and blush, which wasn't, it's like the last year type thing. Before that I was not into it at all, but lately I've been rocking blush, I've been rocking bronzer. My bronzer has actually faded because I've had my makeup on all day, so I'm gonna get a brush and put this on for you right now. Let's do a little bit of a try on demo. Where is a brush? Wait for me. Okay, my usual bronzer brush is missing, so I'm gonna go in with this little Real Techniques one. Let me just pull all the cat hair off it because it's been sitting there a little while. I'm gonna go ahead and tap into it. It's picking up a good amount on the, ooh, do you see the fluff? It's a little bit of fallout there. Maybe tap that off a bit. All right, and we'll go ahead and put it on the perimeter of my face. Ooh, that looks like a nice tone for me. Ooh, that looks nice. Like, I don't know if you can see like how like that looks kind of pink and pale, and then I got a little bit of like a sun kiss there. Ooh, dude, I feel like this tone is gonna work perfect for me. Yeah, dude, like it's blending out super easy. It looks like the perfect tone for my skin. It just looks like a nice yellowy tan and not like an orange tan. It just looks like I look gross right now with my greasy bangs. But yeah, dude, I feel like this might be a really good tone for me, and that's blending really well. Pretty Vulgar is so underrated. I'm sorry. I feel like their brand didn't take off the way they wanted to when they got into Sephora, and it bums me out because everything I have tried from them is so good. Like their gel liner is good, their eyeshadow palettes are good, their face products are good. I don't know, man. I feel like they need to get more recognition, and this bronzer is an A+ for me. I'm very excited about this a lot. I'm especially excited because I just bought the Wet n Wild bronzer, the new ones, and I got the Take It to Brazil one, and that one like doesn't show up on my skin. I was so excited for it. But this, good. The next item we have is this guy right here, dude. So this is from Too Faced, and this is their Better Than Sex mascara. Everyone is pretty familiar with this one. It is just, you know, a nice voluminous mascara here. There's the little one there. This is like a cult favorite for a reason. It retails for $24. I have personally only tried this mascara like once, and I can't remember loving it. It didn't make an impression on me one way or the other, but I'm always down to try mascara again because I have my Holy Grail that I use, and it's the Essence one. It's $5. But I do also love the Marc Jacobs one, so I'm open to switching them up, and this looks like the type of brush I would like. So for $24, think about that. If all you wanted was this, if this is your Holy Grail, because this is so many people's Holy Grail, this is $24. The box is $21. You could get the box, get all the other stuff for free, and save $3 on that mascara. That is all I am saying. That is kind of what the selling point is for me on these BOXYCHARMs, because like you're getting a discount on one product and then everything's free. You know what I mean? Like that's just so dope. I don't know how they do it. It's witchcraft. I should know as I'm a witch, but they didn't tell me the spell. This dark magic is unknown to me. All right, and now we're down to the very last item. And you know what? I'm really excited about this one because this is from a brand that I've been wanting to try but just haven't taken the leap. And now I'll have one item for reference to know if I like it so I can decide if I want to get more, and I'm so stoked. Oh, satisfying. Okay, so this is from the brand Nude Sticks, and this is their Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. And this one here is in the shade Copper Foil. I'm going to give you a little swatch right here. Here is a swatch of copper foil. And oh man, that is beautiful. So this is a cream crayon shadow, which I don't use a ton of, but I guess all of their stuff is supposed to be kind of multi-use and you can use it everywhere. So like you can use their lips on the eyes, etc, etc, etc. And the brand appeals to me, but since I am so set in my ways, I haven't tried it yet. And this, look at that. Look at that. Also look at the sheen that's just on my hand from that frickin', there's no highlight on my hand. That's just the sheen from the light hitting this frickin' lotion. But the copper there, wait, why is it doing that so much? There you go. That copper, whew, that is pretty. I kind of want to put it in my waterline. Let's put it in my waterline. Let's do that. Is that horrifying? I feel like that's the stuff of nightmares to watch people put makeup in their waterline. Ugh, I don't like it. I don't like looking at it. But yeah, I don't know if you can even tell on camera, but it brings just like a little twinkle to my situation that I am a fan of. And this here retails for $24 if I did not already say that. And I just dropped it in lotion. Sweet. Alright guys, so that's everything I got in this month's box, and the overall value comes to about $118, and I believe that is before tax because I don't see any tax prices on this sheet, and the box is $21. So I mean, make your own judgments on if you think it's a good deal and if it's something that fits for you and your budget and your life, but for me, this is my favorite subscription service ever. And since I upgraded to BOXYCHARM, oh, I can't even. I've only gotten it once, but I was so stoked on it. And oh, man, I love BOXYCHARM. I don't know how you do a BOXYCHARM, but thank you. Hats off, metaphorical, hats off to you. And also hats off to you watching if you liked, commented, and subscribed like I asked you, because that would be so dope. And you know what? Honestly, hats off to you if you made it this far. If you did, leave like a piece of fruit emoji. Don't care which one, just leave me leave me the emoji of your favorite fruit so I know. Mine is pineapple, just so you know. And grapes, especially liquefied grapes. Alright guys, so that's going to be everything. Me and Jack just want to say bye to you. Hi baby. It's been really fun. Thank you so much for hanging out with me when you could be anywhere on the internet. But I'm gonna have to go now because I gotta hang out with this beautiful little baby of mine. So yeah, I hope very much to see you in my next video. If you're still watching, go ahead and watch these. These are links to videos I put up in the past. And if you click on my face over there, it'll take you to where you can subscribe so you can hang out all the time. I think you should do it. I think it's a good idea. I will see you hopefully in the next one. Okay, bye.